Hey guys, welcome back to another fun episode of Learning with Fungloves. Today's Fungloves are... Whoa! It's Monsters, Inc. Sully! How cool is that? That's awesome! Today, we're going to learn about stacking with numbers and also putting a little farm animal inside the little boxes. Will you help me? All right, let's do it. All right, the first box is going to be 1, and it's a yellow one with eyes on it and bluish purple stars. How cool is that? It's got some hay, it's got a window. What else does it have? 1 tree, and on this side, it's an orange cow. Moo! What do cows say? That's right, moo, good job. All right, we're going to put it right here. And which one of the animals do we put it inside? That's right, it's gonna be an orange cow. Look at that, orange cow, good job. All right, our next number or box is going to have this green 2 on it with lines, blue lines. And look, it's got bones going all the way around the window. There's 1, 2, 3 bones. Looks like a green, an orange, and a purple. And look, there's 2 birds. 1, 2. And it's a yellow doggy. Yellow dog. All right, what do dogs say? That's right, woof woof. All right, let's pick out our yellow dog. Here he is. All right, let's put him in the box. Okay, so far we have a box number 1, a box number 2, and we have an orange cow and a yellow doggy. All right, what's next? It's this number 3 box, and it's a number 3 with, whoa, look at the little crosses. They're little orange crosses on them. And a pink barn. And the number 3 with 3 haystacks. Look at that. Or hay rolls. 1, 2, 3. And look, it's a little pig sheep. Put them right there. What do sheep say? That's right. Good job. All right, let's put them in. All right, the next number is number 4. And it's got little purple diamonds on it. Look how cool that is. All right, we have pretty vines with purple grapes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of cheese with a mouse hanging out. And look at that. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 fishies. And look at that. It's a purple little kitty cat. What do kitty cats say? That's right. Good job. That's right. All right, you see our kitty cat? There he is. There's our little purple kitty cat. Oh, so cute. Let's put him in his little home. All right, our next little barn box is going to be number 5, and it's got red little triangles on it. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Whoa, it's pink with looks like orange carrots all over it. And then there's a tree, an apple tree. Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. And there's the number 5 again with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carrots. And there it is. There's the little blue bunny. Look at that. It matches Sully's gloves. Look at that. How cool. All right. Let's put the little box right there. And which one is it? That's right. Good job. Little bunny rabbit. And bunnies don't really make sounds, but what do? They like to, that's right, hop, 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 hop. And he's gonna hop right into the box. Good job. Okay, our last box is going to be this yellow 6 with, whoa, it's got little rings on it, little circles with a circle with a circle with a circle. How cool is that? And this one looks like it's got, I don't know what that is. I don't know what's on the outside. It's just brown. Then we got some clouds, a house, a little caterpillar. And then look, the number 6. And look at the little chickens coming. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little chickens coming out. Cheek, cheek. Look at that. It's a hen. It's a little mama hen. All right, let's put that on top. All right, let's look for the hen. There she is. And what did hen say? That's right. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Good job. Let's put her in her box. All right, guys, that was fun. Let's go over it again. We got the first box has a cow. What did cows say? That's right. And our second box is a yellow doggy. What did dogs say? Good job. And our third box has a pink sheep. What does sheep say? All right, you guys are on a roll. And then our fourth box has a purple kitty cat. Good job, that's right. And then the bunny is number 5, blue bunny. Remember, they don't really talk, but they go hop, hop, hop. That's right. And 6 is our hen. That's right. What do they say? All right, you guys are so good. All right, great job, guys. Give yourselves a hand. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.